guys, today we'll be learning a few spelling tips and tricks presented by Ayra, Addison, and Sascha. What will we be learning? Well, we'll be learning a few spelling tricks. They'll make you laugh and will help you remember the words when you write. First off, we have great. Great can be remembered as good rabbits eat a treat. Thought. Thought can be remembered as turtles have oatmeal under goofy, hairless tigers. Number 3, we have again. Aliens get angry in Nevada. Usually also known as uncles sing under a lazy little yak. Because big elephants can always understand small elephants. Stretch. Stretch can be remembered as squirrels teach royal elephants to cut hamburgers. Answer. Answer can be remembered as apples need sunshine when elephants roar. People. Pigs eat organic peaches like earthworms. Now it's time for a quiz. Remember, this is just for fun and it's okay to get something wrong. What do squirrels teach elephants? A. To dance. B. To eat pickles. C. To cut hamburgers. Or D. Nothing. C. To cut hamburgers. What do pigs eat? Organic peaches, delicious pears, apple slices, or rotten bananas? The correct answer is A. Organic peaches, just like earthworms. What do big elephants always understand? A. Tigers, B. Small elephants, C. Puppies, or D. Giraffes? It's B. Small elephants. Now this one's just for you. What was your favorite acronym? Now thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed and have a great day.